Okay, so then we're printing build plate 5 of 6 here. It looks to be quite a complicated one. That I'm using blue now because I ran out of purple PLA, purple plastic. You'll see this big piece about here. That is actually this piece here on the extruder. So the extruder sits on those two rods there and moves back and forth, and this piece here is what we're printing at the moment. There's also a number of hexagon type shaped pieces, and those are actually the Z-axis pieces here, which control the Z-axis, and they move the extruder up and down. Now this has been a bit of a nightmare, this build plate. This is the third try. I've had everything under the sun go wrong. Those pieces at the back there, which look quite rectangular, I'll see if I can get the camera over there. No, the extruder's in the way. Anyway, the bits at the back there are actually the bits that sit underneath the bed, which are here. So they sit on, it looks like linear bearings, and move up and down this smooth rod here as they're controlled. I'll just zoom back and show you the whole printer, because a few people have asked for that. So you see there the whole printer is printing there on a table that's quite messy. The extruder's in the middle. Interesting parts are the stepper motors on the top of the printer here. This is the plastic roll I'm printing from. This is obviously the bed that moves back and forth. This here controls the heat, the temperature of the bed. So the bed is actually at 60 degrees Celsius. And moving down, it moves up and down the Z-axis, this piece of orange here. That's a stepper motor there. And that's the brains of the operation there, that circuit board. That's very exciting. Moving around, there's all sorts of cables going up and down and back and forth. And here we have the plastic bit that handles the Y-axis there. So yeah, now I'll just show you my... So this is all my failures in this bag here. It's about half the failures I've ever had. Mainly because I've given away half of them to a guy who makes terrain for Warhammer. So yeah, you know, there's all sorts of bits and pieces, failures due to various reasons. I actually had a power failure, ran out of plastic once. I've had the plastic caught up and it couldn't extrude. What else have I had happen? I've had my computer crash that controls the printer, and I've had this circuit board somehow crash for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, it's been hell and high water printing this printer. So there you go.